Hi friends, now welcome to part 2 of the binary operation. I'm going to solve another question for you guys. Now let's quickly move to the question. Given that set R equals to 2, 4, 6, 8 and also 10, and the operation plus and also star divided especially as addition and also was multiplication modulo 7. Now the first thing, we are asked to compute the operation tables. Compute the operation tables. B, is the operation closed? The first one, is it closed, commutative and associative? Is it closed, commutative and also associative? Then we are asked to justify our answer in each case. Now, without wasting our time, we have our two operations table that we are asked to compute. The first one is what? Operation, the additive operation, and the second one is what? Is the multiplicative operation. Now, here, additive operation, that's we have modulo 7, multiplicative, which is what? Modulo 7. What are the elements that we have? We have 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. What of this side we are having? 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. So also here you are having 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. Then here also we are having that's 2, 4, 6, 8, and also what? You are having 10. Right? So that's just it. Then let's just move on and compute the table. Now, looking at this, how do you think we can compute the table? We can actually compute the table using okay, yeah, let me get my calculator. We compute it with respect to what? To modulo 7. Now looking at this, the first one is what? 2 plus 2, which is what? 4, right? Then the second one, 2 plus 4 is what? That's 6, right? Then 2 plus 8, 2 plus 6 is 8, but the remainder will be 1 because we have to compute with respect to what? Modulo 7. Then the next thing, 2 plus 8, which is 10, that will be what? That will be 3. 2 plus 10 is 12, right? That's 5. Can you see this now? Then moving to the next one, 4 plus 2 will give me what? 4 plus 2 will give me 6. Then I'll have my 6 here. 4 plus 4 will give me 8, which is 1. 4 plus 6 is 10, which is what? 3. 4 plus 8 is what? 12, which is 5. Then 4 plus 10 is 14, which is what? Which will be, that's 0. Because you can find two 7s in 14. So the remainder is what? Is 0. Then let's go ahead and complete the rest. 6 plus 2 is what? 6 plus 2, that's 12, which is 5. Right? Then, 6 plus 2 is actually 8. And 8 should be what? That's 1. 6 plus 4 is what? That's 10, which is 3. 6 plus 6, that's 12, which is that's 5. 6 plus 8, that's 14, which is 0. 6 plus 10 is what? 16. That should give me what? 2. Then the next one will be that 8 plus 2, that's 10. I have 3 here. 8 plus 4, that's 12, which is 5. This one I will have 0. I will have 2 here. Then 8 plus 10 should give me 16, which is what? Which is 2. 16, 18 actually. That should be 4. Yeah. Then 10 plus 2, that's 12. 12 in this sense, I will have 5. This way I have 0. I have 2. I have 4. 10 plus 10, which is 20. That's actually 6. Wow. Yeah, let's just move to this side and compute the rest. 2 star 4. 2 star 4 is what? 2 star 2 is what? Is 4. Put the 4 here. 2 star 4, that's 8, which is 1. 2 star 6, which is 5. 2 star 8, 16. 16, how many? That will be 2, right? 2 star 10 is what? 20. That should be 6. Then the second one, 4 star 2 is 8. We have 1. 4 star 4, that's 16. 16, we are going to have 2. 4 star 6, that's 24. 24, in 24 you have what? You have a 3 as remainder. Then the next thing should be that's 4 star 8. That's 8 star 4, which is what? Which is 32. 32 we are going to have that will be okay. 32 you have 7 times 4 is what? That's 28. That should be 4. Then 4 star 10, that's 40. 40 we have 35, we have 5. Then here for 6 star 2 is what? Is 12. We are going to have 5 here. 6 star 4, that is 24. 24 we have a 3. 6 star 6 is 36. We have a 1 here. Then 6 star 8, that's 48. 48 we have our that's 48 we have our that should give me 6. Yeah. Then the next thing, 6 star 10, that's 60. 60 in this case, I'm having, I should have 7 times 8 is what? 56. I should have my 4 here. Then 8 times 2 is what? 16. I will have my 2 here. No, it should be 4. Stars 8 stars 2 is 16. That's 2. It's 2. 8 star 4. 8 stars 4 is what? 8 star 4. We are having 32. And 32 we should have our 27 month in one case. 7 times 4 is what? 28. That's 4. 8 star 6 is what? 8 star 6 is 48. So we should have our 48. Okay, 48. 7 star 8 is what? 56. 7 star 6 is what? 42. Okay, that should be 6. So in this case, 8 star 8, that's 64, right? So 64, we should have something like 7 times 9, 63. We have 63 minus 64, that should be 1. That's 1. 8 star 10, that's 80. 80, you should have something like 77, which is, that will be yours 3, right? Then 10 star 2. 10 star 2 is 20. Then we should have something like 14. This one should give me 6. 10 star 4, that's 40. We should have something like times 4 is what? 40, right? Here check times 4, that's what? 28 times 5, that's 35. We should have 5 here. 10 star 6, 60. We should be having 56, which is 7 star 6. 42, 7 star 8 is what? 56. And 10 star this is what? That's 4, right? Then 10 times 8, that's 80. We should have 3 here. 10 times 10, that's 100. 100, we should have in 7 times 12 is what? Let's check. 84 times 13. That's 91. 98. 98. We are having that should be 2 here, because 7 star 13 is giving me 91. 7 star 14 should give me 98. So that's 2. That's just it. Can you see that? But if you're looking at this, if you are looking at this 2 table, is actually, the table is not closed at all, because we are giving our set out. The element that are present in set R is 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. But here we are having 0, 5, 3, 6. Okay, 6 is part of the set R. So we are having 0, 5, and because of that 0, 5, and 3 with 1, that's what actually make these 2 table. They are not closed. Now let's move to what? To question 2. Now looking at this is our question A, right? Moving to question B now. Is the operation closed? No, the operation is not closed. Then why? The operation is not closed. The operation is not closed because why? Because looking at this, we have 0, 5, 1, right, 3. Yes, it's not a member of us of R. That's it. Because 0, 5, 1, 3 is not a member of Y of R under operation what? Operation additive operation. Pass it down. Then similarly, under operation star, you check it. We have 1. We have 1 under operation star. The operation is not closed because if you look at this, you have 1, what other thing? we have 5. Which other we have what? 3. 1, 5, 3 is not a member of what? Of R. Can you see this now? So you have proved it for them that okay, the two operation is not closed. Then the thing is that we need to justify our answer in this case. We need to justify our answer in this case. It says that we need to show them that A comma B is not a member of what? Of R. That is not a member of what? Of R. Whether if the operation is closed, that means our A comma B should be a member of what? Of R if the operation is closed. But since the operation is not closed, that means our A comma B is not a member of what? Of R. But in this case, how can we justify our answer? We can actually go ahead and say, let's say we have what? A star what? A star B. A star B is a member of what? Of R. Of R. Then let your A be what? Be 2. Can you see that? Can you see that? 2 star, what is your B? Let your B to be equals to, hope you guys are seeing it now. Oh, thank God. Let your B be equals to, let's pick 4. Can you see that? 2 star 4 is what? That's 8. Can you see that? And 2 star 4, if you multiply it on a normal arithmetic, it is 8. But on the norms, 2 star 4, therefore 2 asterity 4 here is what? Is 1. Can you see that? And 1 is not a member of what? Of R. Since 1 is not a member of R, that means the operation is what? Is not closed at all. Hope you guys are following me. The operation is what? Is not closed because 2 star 4 is equals to what? Is equals to 1, and 1 is not a member of what? Of R. That's why the operation is not closed. Then under additive property, we need to what? To show them that to justify our answer. Justify our answer is then that we can just say A plus B must be a member of what? Of R. A plus B must be a member of R. Then let our A equals to what? 2. 2 plus our B equals to what? 4. 2 plus 4 is what? 2 plus 4 is what? Is a 6. Is equals to what? Is equals to 6. That means our 2 plus 4, 2 comma 4 is a member of what? Of R. The thing is what? Is yes under B. If and only if the value of A is lower than the value of what? Is lower, or you say the value of B is slightly higher than the value of what? Of A. So you get that? The reason why is that I said that is that if you take your A to be 8, now your A is now 8, can you see that? And plus your B is now what? Let's say 10. Can you see that the operation is not closed? 8 plus 10, 8 plus 10 is what? Is 18, which is going to give us what? 4. Ah, wow, it's closed. So that means the operation is closed. But looking directly at the table, the operation is not closed. Because what? Because 0, 5, 1, 3 is a member of what? Of R. But looking at the elements here, the operation is somehow closed. So you need to be careful. But judging from the table, the operation is not closed because of what? 0, 1, 3. You can just take them according to the table. That is, the operation is not closed because 0, 5, 1, 3 is not a member of what? Of R. Can you see now? But if you choose another element, 8 plus 2, that's 10, which is 3. Can you see that 3 is not what? Is not a member of what? Of R. 8 plus 3, which is what? Which is 10. That should be this is that's 11. Then subtract 11 from 7, which is what? Which is, that should give us something like 4. It is still close. Then let's say we take 8 plus 4. 8 plus 4 is what? Is 12. Subtract that one, that is what? That's 5. Can you say it is not close? Can you stand? It is not closed. These are what I'm trying to say. So you can just say according to table, the two operations is not closed according to this table. But as far as you take it them one by one, some will be what? Closed, while some will not be closed. So just justify it to them according to what? To your table. No need of showing to them all this. But under operation star, it will always be what? Always be right. Then let's just move to the second case there. Is the operation closed? We are done with that. Then is it commutative? As far as commutative is concerned, no, we have commutative. That means our A star what? Star B must be equals to what? B star what? B star A. Then let your A equals to what? 2, and your B equals to what? The 4. Because 2 and 4 are what? Are the member of us, member of R. Then you have 2 star what? 2 star 4 equals to what? 4 star what? Star 2. 2 star 4 is what? Is 1, which is equals to what? 4 star 2 is what? 4 star 2. That should give us 8, which is also what? 1. 1 is equals to 1. The operation is what? Is commutative because since the left hand side is equals to what? To the right hand side. Check it down. 2 star 4 is 1 equals to what? 4 star 2 is what? Is also 1. But the thing is that if you are to judge according to table, the operation is what? It's not closed. Because 1 is not a member of what? Of R. But since the left hand side is equals to what? The right hand side, that means the operation is what? Is commutative. Final. Moving to what? Associative now. Moving to associative, you need to justify your answer that in associative also, because associative also is just telling us that A star what? Star B, the bracket, A star B star C, let's put star bracket, equals to what? Equals to, that's A star what? Star B star C. Put this inside what? Inside bracket. So they are having three elements here. Let's just say our A equals to what? 2, our B equals to what? 4, and our C equals to what? Equals to let's pick 6, right? So you should have 2 star in the bracket. What's your P? 4 star C, which is 6, must be equals to what? A, which is 2 star 4 star what? Star 6. Then let's just 2 star what? Star 4 star 6. Come back to your table. 4 star 6 is what? That's 3. Put it inside. Must be equals to 2 star 4. 2 star 4 is 1. Put it inside. That's 1 star what? Star 6. Then come back again. 2 star 3 equals to what? 1 star 6. Since we don't have any element that want to put that represent our 3 here, and we don't have any element that represent our 1 here, you can just go on the nonce and just do the multiplication. Do the what? We multiply it. 2 star 3. 2 star 3 is what? That's 6. Equals what? 6. That means the operation is what? Is associative, because this is equals to 6 this. But as far as the table is concerned, let's assume you have it on the table. You can just check it on the table, because I have 4 star 6 on the table. That's why that's why I actually check it on the table. So that's just it. Can you see it now? So this is the second part. I'm going to release the third part. After the third part, I will move to the set theory. So kindly watch my previous video on binary operation. Thanks for watching. Drop your comment in the comment box below. I'll be there for you.